Ready? All right, let's head downstairs. Everybody's going down.
Just north of Clearwater, it's very scenic. You're driving down through the palm trees on both sides. And we're really going here because we be Dunedin a beer.
Pretty with all the palm trees.
You would never get sick of living by the ocean.
No. Right there says welcome to Dunedin with all the dogs. Dog meat. Since the shops aren't that way. The shops are this way too. Even though there were many cute little shops calling out for a visit, our driver pulled into a brewery. Dunedin Brewery is the oldest microbrewery in Florida, and I will say it was super cute inside and out.
Blackberry or apple cider would you like?
Apple. After ordering drinks and lunch, I took a quick look around at the colorful Scottish tartans and noticed a place for a live band to play. Then I joined our group that had been seated in their very own private room. Look at another one, lady. The brewery has a nice outdoor space if you're visiting on a sunny day, but alas, we weren't. So we ordered some appetizers. We had hand-cut potato fries, Bavarian pretzel bites, buttermilk deep-fried pickles, and deep-fried cheese curds. All of them were delish. I ordered the blackened mahi fish tacos, and they were superb. What'd you get, Raquel?
I think it's just a fried chicken wrap.
Fried chicken wrap. It's really good.
What'd you get?
I got a cheese.
Okay, sorry. Is it good? You haven't eaten it
I
yet.
haven't taken a bite yet.
Hey, do you like the ketchup?
It's good. Go ask Lainey what she got.
I'm going with it. Hey, Lainey, what'd you get to eat?
What's these?
French fries. Is it good? Are the French fries good here?
Give it a thumbs up.
Smash that like button.
What about you, baby Caitlin?
Baby Caitlin, what'd you get to eat? What'd you get to eat, dear heart? What'd you eat? So it has all this it's a burger, pulled pork, and onion ring. Jalapeno sauce. Jalapeno sauce.
Or is that an onion
It's
ring?
an onion ring. Is it good?
It's delicious.
They said it was their special. That's what Bobby's getting. Yeah.
It's a pulled pork and Angus burger, and it's really good. The sauce has got just a little bit of spice to it. Really smoky. The pulled pork is really smoky. My first bite was very enjoyable.
She's having her first French fry at her first brewery on her first vacation. On her first vacation. The fun you have at a brewery. After some great food and the rain stopping, it was time for a few of us to leave and check out those cute little shops that we had passed on our way into town. Downtown Dunedin has 4 square blocks of very walkable shopping. You will find many unique shops and boutiques and many products that are only sold in Dunedin. We visited several times over the years, and I've always found it to be a fun way to spend a rainy day. We found the rest of the group at another brewery, Brewing Company. This brewery was started by 2 home brewers in 2009 and is now one of America's top 100 beer bars. They make over 22 different beers right on site. And as you can see, they have a fun outside area that we all enjoyed even on a rainy day. So what did you think about your trip to Dunedin, Mr. Karnes?
Had a nice day in Dunedin. We went to a couple of the local craft beer places. We went to Dunedin Brewery and Hob Brewery, H-O-B. And the beer was pretty good. It wasn't the greatest beer I've ever had, but it was quite refreshing and very cold. And the atmosphere was really cool. We had an enjoyable time.
It stopped raining.
It stopped raining. It got really muggy. My hair is a mess, as you probably can tell.
And so is mine.
And that's why she has the camera on me and not her.
Your production. Or no, your talent.
I'm
Sorry,
talent,
your
yeah.
talent.
So talent has Florida hair. I hope y'all forgive me for that.
Florida hair, don't
we're going to
care.
drive back to the condo and I think get the pool, which should be quite refreshing right about now.
Do it again, Lainey. Do it to him.
Okay, you gotta pump it up. You gotta pump it up and then you gotta give it to me.
Look at her face.
Get your breath. Get all in. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You got me.
What are you doing? Why are you soaking your hands in milk? Are you taking a milk bath? Is it luxurious?
Only my hands.
What's wrong with your hands?
They're cold. Whew, no.
Your hands are cold?
From the milk. That milk is really cold, but
Why are you soaking them in milk?
stupid peppers I had to cut up for you people in your Indian food.
You're the best, Mrs. Karnes.
Yeah, something like that.
You're an expert more than me.
That's a rice.
We have our Indian spread for the evening. Take some rice.
We're gonna do some rice.
Is somebody
Then
gonna
you're gonna get your selection of.
somebody tell me what's here? What is here? Somebody tell me.
This is chicken korma.
Chicken korma.
It's probably one of the most mild
It's
curries
mild.
you can
This
get.
is level 1 that we got this one at. It goes from 1 to 5. This one's a chicken vindaloo, which is the hottest.
Can't see it. It's got the lid on it.
I can't reach it. Katie over
Okay.
there has a,
Just tell me what they are, okay?
this is chicken korma level 1.
Okay.
This is chicken vindaloo level 5 with a side of freshly chopped hot peppers. This is, what did you get? Veggie jalfrezi, which is a level 3. This is a lamb rogan josh level 4. This is a lamb curry level 5. Onion bargies, some naan bread, some rice.
Chili pickle. What?
How do you say it? Samoas.
Samoas, yeah.
Yeah, I did forget to take my acid reflux medication last night.
Don't. That's not good.
$59.50. Oh, I told her to buy me.
Okay. Go. Action.
We're going this morning on a donut run. I have my donut dolly buddy in the front seat with me here. We're actually going 2 places. We're going to Publix to get some peanut-free donuts, couple of times in the past. They are c'est magnifique. So hoping that they will be the very same today.
How do you feel about that?
Do not get in between me and my donuts.
What are the ones right there above to the left that are like yellow icing with the, it's like a hot on top? What are those? One of those. Wow, that was an experience. Not quite a religious experience, but I think it felt like I was inside a donut oven while I was in it. It was really hot. But I think we have a plethora of odd, fun donut options to choose from today. Let's go eat.
Look at all the donuts. Look at the donuts. Oh, she wants to get one. Which donut you want, Caitlin?
Hatching? That's amazing.
During each of our summer trips to Florida, a welcome and intriguing sight has always been the sea turtle nest. I've always wanted to see a baby turtle hatch. Spotting the Turtle Patrol one morning gave me the unique opportunity to watch them release the last turtle in the nest outside our condo. The early morning sea wind made it very difficult for our mic to pick up the conversation. They told me about how they knew when a nest was about to hatch, about the air holes that burrowed down to the egg chambers, and their part in providing an assist to Mother Nature to ensure as many new turtles as possible make it safely to the sea. To my surprise, they also said that the wire cages around the nest sites weren't to keep people out, but beach coyotes. Yikes! I won't be taking any midnight strolls along the beach now. This little interaction allowed me to check one more item off my bucket list.
That's good. Good. We're glad that was successful.
Yeah.
Oh. I can't see your face. I don't know if she really likes it. So do you like sand now?